Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a return of a beauty box I haven't unboxed on my channel for over a year, and it is Plouise, and this is the monthly budget box. Huge box. So if you're new to the Plouise budget boxes, then carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside this month's box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This is a one-off beauty box which costs £30. They do a monthly subscription for £30 and they do a 6 and 12-month subscription at a reduced cost. This box ships internationally. Shipping is calculated at checkout, but to the UK, shipping is £2. Inside you'll find a mix of brand new unreleased products and some well-known favourites. It works a month in advance, so I paid for this box in January. This is actually the January subscription box that you receive it a month later. So it's not the February box. If you subscribe now in February, or even if you just want to take out a one-off box like what I've done, then you will get the February box in March. I subscribed to the budget box for around a few years ago, and the reason I stopped was because I found it getting quite repetitive. Beautiful products, great pigments, the quality of the products are amazing, they're really good. But basically this box was sort of set up to help makeup artists create the perfect kit. In some of our boxes we'd get like 3 blushes in different shades or 4 bronzers in different shades. So if you're not a makeup artist and you're just doing makeup on yourself, you've got 3 or 4 bronzers, you're only going to use one of them. So that is something to bear in mind. The value of these boxes are really great, and it is so exciting building up a huge collection of Plouise products. There are some spoilers going around what's inside the January box, but I haven't had a look because I want a surprise. I want to open it with you and yeah, just see what my thoughts are. So if you're interested in a one-off box for yourself or a subscription, then you will find all the details down below. There is a pop-up on the website that says get 15% off your first order. So if I can find a code, then you'll find it down there as well. But I didn't get a code for this. I paid £30 and then the £2 shipping. So yeah, so let's open this up then and see what's inside. There, sneak peek first. It looks like we've got a palette. Starting off, we've got glossy and glazed. I think I might be the one. What is it? It's got sticky here. I am all over body glow. And there's 100 mils there. No extra information on here. Look at that. Oh, that is really pretty. It feels exactly like a lip gloss. But look how stunning that is. That is so pretty. Really pretty on your legs, on your shoulder blades, on top of your shoulders. I'd imagine that to be really, really nice. It feels really sticky and tacky, so that would be quite annoying if you got your hair down. Your hair would be stuck to it. I'll see what that's like at the end of the video. But yeah, it's just literally like you've just put lip gloss on your hand. Or like a multi-purpose balm then, you know? That's sort of like a Vaseline type product. That is really pretty, but I'm not sure if that would just annoy me on my body. Not so much on my legs. Maybe legs would be alright. Just don't go anywhere where you're likely to pick up bits of fluff and hair and things like that. So we've got an all over body glow. An all over body glow. Oh, another one, okay. Stepping out of town with a glow so nourished. Shimmering reflects to attain attention. 1 drop is enough to create decadent dimension. Chasing light and standout shine. A sprinkle of skin magic and transported to cloud 9. This pump of perfection is all that you need, whether it's the décolletage or the legs that take heed. They say that my radiance can be too much. Won't dull my luminosity, babe, because I've got the finishing touch. Okay. Provides a long-lasting iridescent shine. Let's try it on my hand here then. Wow, this very pearlescent and very liquidy. Look. Oh, I prefer this. It's more of an oil. Can you see pearlescent there? Whereas this is a balm because it's so sticky. Hopefully you can see there on the camera, but no, I prefer this product. That's this one. Nah. No. So they're both all over body glows, but this one hasn't got much information about it at all. But this is an oil and this is a balm basically. We've got a ready set glow. This is stay shining wherever you go. is lip oils. All Fired Up, Gleam Team and Flashy Lifestyle. So they're going to be different shades or hint of a tint. They're so extra, aren't they? But they're so cool. Alright then, starting off, we've got Stay Shining. I've just had to wipe off the balm from my hand. This has got an amazing smell. Oh, fruity smell. So it's clear, but I think it's got some, oh yeah, it's got gold sparkles to it. Little tiny flecks of gold in there. So that is Stay Shining. They're all Stay Shining. What am I on about? What colour is this one? This is Gleam Team. Then I got All Fired Up. It's got a bit more of a pinky tone to it. Let's do it next to it. This is a little bit more subtle on the shimmer. There is tiny bits in there, but I can only just make it out. But you've got more of a pink, sort of very subtle gloss there. Does it smell the same? Yeah, they all smell the same. And then lastly, I got Flashy Lifestyle. More of a purpley tint. And this has got pink glitter in it at the top there. Again, very subtle. The clear one down here, you can see the glitter in there a lot easier. But you've got very subtle pink glitter in the top one. Yeah. So you've got 3 Stay Shining lip oils. And lastly, we've got a palette. This is GPS Says It's My Turn. It's a powder blusher palette. Oh, it's a big one. Okay. Oh, wow. So you've got a big mirror there. And look at those shades. First impressions, beautiful. But I can only see one shade that I would use, which is that one. A little bit on the too pinkier side for me. It is really pretty, but would I get the use out of it just for myself? I don't know. But then saying that, these are really pretty colours. I'm looking at these two down here for eyeshadow. Give you another close-up of them. I'll do some swatches now. Yeah, not great swatches, but it gives you an idea of the colours. If I had like really dark brown hair or black hair, yeah, those shades would look stunning, especially because I'm quite pale, so having a really vibrant cheek would be really pretty. But having a copper hair, not that I can't wear pink, I've got dusky pink. I'm wearing dusky pink actually today. I tend to go more sort of muted pinky corally sort of shades generally. So we've got a GPS Says It's My Turn blush palette. We've got an all over body glow. It's like a body balm. We've got an all over body glow. This is more like an oil. I really like this one. We've got 3 different lip oils, which I'll definitely use. And that is it for the January Plouise budget box. There's 6 products in all. I will use 4 of them, but I'm not too sure about the blush palette, and I don't think I would. I keep on looking at this hand, but I've washed it off. I don't think I would use the body balm. It's an okay box. It's not a wow box. I'm glad I went for it. I don't think I would subscribe month to month. I'm quite happy sort of dipping in now and again. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you receive this box? Are you a regular subscriber? How's the last couple of months' boxes been? I'd love to hear. Even if you think, nah, it's not for me, I don't like it, Claire. I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.